This two-story apartment block is entirely built using shipping containers located on a breathtaking beachfront in Baja California, Mexico. Welcome back. The block comprises of 4 apartment units separated by a circulation shaft, each with beautiful views of the sea. Each apartment has an efficient floor plan with 2 bedrooms, a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a breakfast area, a balcony, and there is a fireplace on the outside. The main entrance welcomes you into an open-plan living space with a fully furnished kitchen, dining, and lounge area. Off the entrance is a dining room for 4, which has a table, 2 chairs, and a bench. The dining area sits in front with the full-height sliding glass doors which open onto the balcony for the amazing views of the beautiful beach. Next to the dining area is a single-walled kitchen fitted with essential kitchen appliances, under-the-counter storage cabinets, and open storage shelving, plus wooden countertops. The furniture in the lounge area is designed to make the most of this small living space. This furniture features a sofa for 2 and 2 wooden lounge chairs, a coffee table, and 2 stools for a pleasant coexistence. The lounge area has an elevated TV for your entertainment. From the lounge space is the first bedroom that has a double bed, 2 night tables with a reading light, and 2 drawers for your personal items. Opposite the first bedroom is the bathroom. The bathroom features a toilet and a sink with a bathroom mirror. There is a separate shower stall with a glass shower cubicle and a side space that has a high back chair with 4 towels. The master bedroom has got a double bed, 2 side tables, 2 drawers for your shoes or personal items that slide out. There is a double switch and 2 USB connectors to charge your electronics. The upper units have an access to a big balcony. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The interior of the house is decorated with modern and a relaxing twist. The outdoors of the house welcomes cool breezes while creating a relaxed and balanced floor plan. The numerous outdoor decks are built purposely for relaxing and entertaining guests. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are painted in a shade of gray and are visible throughout the exterior, celebrating the industrial charm of the building materials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers to help us grow the channel. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like shipping container homes or you are planning to build your own shipping container, apartment, or house. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.